important to people, and God said, that's fine, but just give me that brother right there. That brother that don't have nothing but trust me. Give me that sister over there. That sister been raising kids on her own, single parent, but she trusts me. Give me him over there that's been broken, wounded, and in jail 2 or 3 times. I'll take them. And I'll take them and put them on my team. And what I'll do is I'll grab them ordinary folk. And then I'll put the extra on top of it and make them extraordinary. And when we play, we'll put your big people to shame. That's right. That's what God does. That's what God does. That's what he'll do. He'll choose deliberately, purposely, somebody as simple as you to go in there and apply for the same job that everybody else got degrees for that you don't have. God will choose you on purpose to send you up in there just to put all that to shame. Just to show them that all that don't matter. As long as they got King Jesus, they don't need no degree or nobody else. He deliberately chooses ordinary to put to shame what the world put as a standard. Or the world says you should be this, and that. He deliberately chooses. Deliberately to put to shame. Somebody say, he deliberately chose me. He deliberately chose me. Deliberately. Deliberately. He's looking for simple and humble. Simple